Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TK Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine friends. Well friends, I have for repair today this one HDL20 RCF. This is a model HDL20-A. It's also one of the branded product, very branded and popular amplifier module, power monitor. Okay, let's check what is the issue in this. So I will apply power and check what is the problem inside. So we'll apply power. See, but there is a sound. See sound, how the sound is coming. So this is the sound. So we'll give the input signal. So I have given the input signal. Signal is working. See, but no sound. I think no sound. There is no sound. See, so this is the problem. Both HF and LF like this sound. Both. So this is the problem. So let's check what is the issue. So we'll open this one, put it off first. So we'll open this one and check what is the problem. So we'll open and check what is the problem. So guys, I have removed the screws, so we'll take it out. Now we'll check. So we'll put it on. One, two. See, there is a problem with the high voltage. There is no light is blinking over here. See guys, I am supposed to get 5 lights over here, but there are only 4 lights. It means one is missing. That is for high voltage. So the problem is in the high voltage section. So only 4 LED, green LED is working. One more is not working. It means the high voltage is shorted. Our high voltage is shorting is there. That's why this type of sound is coming. Okay. So now we'll check over here this section. So we must supposed to get here 5 lights, but only 4 is available. So it means there is one power supply light is missing. That is high voltage light. So we'll check now which line is shorted here. So guys, this is our high voltage area, and this is plus 5 and plus 12 and minus 12 regulator IC, this one. Okay, so these are the rectifiers, high voltage rectifier. So we'll check some over here. Is there any shorting? So this rectifier is good. The rectifier is good. Okay. So no shorting. Okay. These are all diodes. This is okay. This is okay. 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 So guys, this is high voltage rectifier. Hey guys, this looks faulty. These two rectifiers for the high voltage. So what we will do, this is showing some shorting. See, I'll keep on the buzzer range. See, so this is showing shorting. So we need to remove this both rectifier. So this is ultra fast rectifier, and we'll check separately. This looks either both are defective or either one is defective. So we'll remove this one and check separately. This is the one. This is, see, this is shorted. One side is okay, so it means that our diode is shorted rectifier. This is, so guys, as you have seen, this is our rectifier, switch mode rectifier. This is called switch mode rectifier, 620 TG. This is 6 ampere 200 volt. So this is I found shorted. See, one side is showing shorting, other side okay. See, if you check like this, other side it's okay. See, so this is the dual type, dual diode is there inside. So it is switch mode rectifier. This is 6 ampere 200 volt rectifier. So this is I found faulty. So this looks very shorted. So but this one is good. So it's better that we have removed only one. Okay, see, this is good. So there is no shorting. So just we'll replace only one. So I got the one with mini one. So same one, 620. This is so finally we have soldered it. The new one and this is the old one. This is rectifier, switch mode power rectifier. So this I found faulty. That's why our high voltage is getting shorted. That's why instead of 5 light, only 4 LEDs getting on here. We must supposed to get 5 LED lights on here. So now it is okay. We'll check now. So guys, we have fixed this ultra fast rectifier. This is 620 TG. So this is the one. We have replaced it with the new one. So this is ultra fast rectifier. This 600 volt 20 ampere. Okay, so before this was showing shorting one terminal. I mean this one. See, it was showing shorting. Okay, but other side is good. So that's why it was shorted. But here now it's good. We have changed it. So it's okay now. So there is no any shorting. So we have replaced it. This also same. Okay, so there is no more shorting. Okay guys, all okay. So we have replaced it, ultra fast rectifier diode. This was shorted before, that's why high voltage was getting dropped, shorted. So now we'll put it on and check what is the status. So we'll apply the input power and check what is the status. So guys, I'll put it on. was coming now. Okay, see here 2, here 3. Before only 2 was coming here, so one high voltage was not coming. So now all 5 is coming. All 5 is coming, it means that our voltages, output voltages are perfect. Okay, so finally we have repaired it. So guys, we have replaced it, this one with the faulty one. Okay, ultra fast rectifier. So we'll give the input signal and check the sound also. So guys, I have given the input signal, so we'll check. So this is high, this is okay. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Take care, see you very soon next video. Bye.